Hello my little friends, are you ready to delight you and us with a lovely recipe? Today I really want to prepare a tart. In Italian it's called crostata. You can do your crostata with lots of things, with fresh fruit, with jam, with cream, with Nutella, and today I decided to prepare it with cream. Yesterday I made the cream. I want to show you how you can make the cream. I wrote it down. Yeah, you need, actually I made the cream because I had lots of milk. I bought it for bechamel, and because I don't drink it so much. Do you drink milk? It's good for you. For children it's very good. Which milk do you drink? Do you drink cow's milk, rice milk, oat milk, soya milk, coconut milk? You can have lots of different kinds of milk. I use for this recipe cow's milk. Yeah, so I used, look, 1 liter of milk, that is latte in Italian. Then I used 2 uova, eggs. Which number is this? Yes, 4 tablespoons of sugar. That in Italian you say zucchero. Then 4 spoons of flour, and for this recipe I used rice flour because it's lighter. And then you need to use the lemon or the vanilla extract, limone or vanilla. You have to cook it, you have to mix it very carefully, and of course if you want to do this recipe, this is a job that your parents can do, but it's very easy and then it's so delicious, so do it. I will write it down for you, all this information. Now together we are going to prepare the pastry. For the pastry you need to get 2 eggs, as you see here, 2 uova, 100 grams of sugar. So the sugar, we are going to pour it just here, is 100 grams. Do you have a scale at home? Look, I show you. I have my scale with all the numbers. It looks like a clock, isn't it? So here you can read all the numbers that you need for your measurements. You can have this one on a digital one. So when you prepare any recipe, please be careful, read the numbers so you can learn numbers, measurements, if something is heavy, if something is light. So you can do lots of things when you cook, lots of things. So we said that we are going to put 100 grams of sugar and then 2 eggs. But before anything, have you washed your hands? I'm waiting. So you can pause me and I count until 20, or I can sing a song. Lávate las manos, lávate las manos, lávate las manos con agua y jabón. Let's start. Lávate las manos, lávate las manos, lávate las manos con agua y jabón. So now I crack the eggs. I'm going to mix them with the sugar until the sugar will disappear. Then I have to add some lemon zest. Yeah, I wash it. Of course, this is organic, so it's very good. I'm going to grate it. And to grate it, I have to be very careful because the grater has a lot of little knives. Are you allowed to touch the knives? No, you are not. But you can have knives for children, and you can be very careful when you grate things. What can you grate? Cheese, well done. What can you grate? Carrots, yes. You can grate anything you want, why not? So we need to add the lemon zest to add a nice flavor to our pastry. Then, after you made the pastry, you can decide if you want to fill your tart, crostata, with cream, like me, or with jam. Which one is your favorite jam? Mine is the figs one. Yeah, it's quite rare, but in Italy we have it, so I love it. We did it. Perfect. Then, in this case, we are going to add 80 grams of oil. You can add butter, but with the butter, then you have to wait 30 minutes when the dough is ready, and you have to put it in the oven. Silly me, in the fridge, of course. You have to put the pastry in the fridge to make it harder, because the butter can make it very, very, very sticky. But if you put oil, it's better. So ready, go. All the liquids together, egg and oil together. So we put the powdered things, that was sugar, then the lemon zest, then how many eggs? Due uova, and 80 grams of oil. Now, slowly, we are going to add flour. When we will, I'm going to add it with my hands because it's nice and fluffy. Yeah, I'm going to use the regular flour, but you can express yourself and use other kind of flour. In this case, we don't need a cream, we need the dough. So the dough is like when we do bread, pizza, challah bread, biscuits. Actually, this is like the dough of the biscuits. So if during your cooking you say, I want to make a tart, so you start like me, and then you say, oh no, I don't want to make a big tart, I want to make some small tarts. Perfect. Oh no, I changed my mind again, I want to bake biscuits. Perfect. Why not? This is the perfect dough for biscuits, tarts, and little tarts. So now that is becoming a little bit harder, I'm going to use my hands to make the dough. When I've done the dough, I have to use something very special, that it comes in the shape of a kind of cylinder. But this is not just a cylinder, this is a rolling pin, that is in Italian, it's called mattarello. So before we started, I already weighed 300 grams of flour, but I have the flour here just in case I need a little bit more. I will add it, no problems at all. So now that is almost, oh, you know what, I forgot. We have to add a pinch of salt. In the recipes, you always, with flour, you always have to add a little bit of salt. Come on, come down. Yeah, just a little bit, not much. So now, while we are doing this, I want to tell you something. Do you know that when I was a child, I used to go to my grandma's house very often, and I loved to spend time with her. We used to stay in the garden, taking care of flowers, and I remember baking with her lots of things. We used to make pizza, she used to make meatballs for me, and also tarts and cakes. In her house, there were always tarts and cakes. In a few days, it will be her birthday. She could be 108 years. She's not here anymore, but she's in my heart and in my hands. Yes, I can carry on doing the things that she taught me. And that's wonderful. What do you do with your grandma and your granddad? Do you cook with them? Do you help them taking care of flowers? Do they read stories for you? I used to go to the beach with my grandma. Maybe with your grandma and your granddad, you can do lovely picnics in your garden. Soon, we will make some lovely recipes for picnics. Do you have any suggestions? I'm waiting for that. So now, let's get ready to pat it. And maybe we can sing patty cake. Yeah, can you teach me that? So I'm going to leave just a little bit to make maybe a little tart, or maybe to make some strips on top. Yeah. So I have have to go and wash my hands. See you in a minute. Oh, please sing a song, like happy birthday song, something like this. I got the tray to bake my tart, and now I'm going to use the paper, the non-stick baking paper. I wash my hands. Have you washed your hands? Can I smell them? Need more soap. Go back. I'm waiting for you. Don't worry. So now, children, ready. Let's put the baking paper here. Let's add a little bit of flour. Where is the flour? And we have to make our tart out of pastry. So have you decided what it will be the filling of your tart? Cream like me? Did you make it? Yes. So now with the rolling pin, il mattarello, we are going to flatten it. So do you remember the song? Pate cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Pat it and bake it. Mark it with B and put it in the oven for babies and me. Yeah, we did it. You know what, children? I forgot to get a fork. Oh my. Okay, how can I use instead of a fork? I really need a fork because when you've done this, you definitely have to put your pastry on the tray. So this is not the right shape. You have to have a different one for tarts, but you know what? I don't have it, so I use what I have. Now I'm going to put just inside, then I let it go. Go down, go down, go down. And now I'm going to break it, the one that is too much, is the leftover. And we are going to use for some biscuits maybe, or we can put the nice stripes, nice things on top. You can decide to put flowers and hearts or letters. You can write your name. This is a very good idea. What can you do with a piece of pastry? I can do my name. Look, K for Cristina. Or I can do, A for apple. So you can do, really, you can make some lettuce biscuits. It could be fun. Actually, I think I'm going to do it. So when you've done this, remember you have to use a fork to crinkle it. Let me see if I can do with the scissors. Yeah, maybe I can do with the scissors. They are clean. So I just make some holes. So when we will put it in the oven, because we are going to put the cream straight on, we are not going to bake the pastry before and then we will put the cream after. You can do it, but you have to add some beans on top of the pastry, so it will not make bubbles. But if you want to do like me, it's really easier. You make your pastry in a round shape, then you place it into the moon, and then look. And now, you see, I'm going to add the cream that I prepared yesterday. This is the crema pasticcera in Italian. Spoon, mix a little bit. Oh, and now, I love the smell. Did you smell the lemon before when you grate it? It's so lovely. So now all the cream goes here, down, down, down here. It will be lovely. Tonight I'm going to invite my flatmate, that she's already lived with me, to enjoy this lovely tart. And on the 5th, that will be my grandma's birthday, I can, if I still have it, I can share with her in my heart. Or maybe I can do another cake. What are you fancy? A lemon cake? A chocolate cake? A strawberry cake? Oh, speaking of strawberries, you know that when I went to the supermarket, I found some delicious strawberries. And look, I bought them. What can you do with these strawberries? They have the smell of the summer. So when the cake will be ready, I'm going to wash them, cut them and put them on top, and then I take a picture so I can send it to you. Please do your tart, send me the picture, and see you soon. With lots of love from Cristina from so far. Bye. We love you so much.